friends, it's Udaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share something interesting I found in my last winter. I thought it would be nice to share it with you guys and see what you guys feel about this and share your comments and experience. Basically what I'm going to share it with you guys today is the one that you are seeing in front, the Mahogany Splendid Hibiscus. Mahogany Splendid Hibiscus is a tender perennial, which means this grows a perennial in zone I think maybe 8 through 10. It's an annual in lower zones where you get enough cold. This is primarily used in cut flower garden and it adds a lot of value and color and structure to the bouquets. I just wanted to try this in my garden last year. I planted 3 seeds and all the 3 germinated. You could guess what that seed packet is. Yes, Johnny's seed packet I used. All the 3 plants came very strong. Only thing I did is I planted only in maybe July. So the plant did not grow like very big tree kind of thing, but really grown a big size. I'm sure you guys watched my 2021 look back where you could see how big Mahogany Splendid Hibiscus was. I took a lot of cuttings before the last frost date and I put it in my floral arrangement. This is the floral arrangement that I made before last frost date. And you know guys, what I found out, this Mahogany Splendid Hibiscus started making roots actually in this. I was seeing this stem looking so sturdy and it never wilted or it never had any slimy kind of thing in the stem when it was dipped into water for quite some time. Kind of going strong every week. I just change the water every maybe once in a week time to keep the bottle look nice and doesn't look slimy. But I found out that this Mahogany Splendid really liked inside weather and they started rooting actually in the flower vase. That I was really so happy to see something new happening and something new that I found out, which was really cool. So I thought instead of throwing that out, I just kept on this flower vase almost from maybe October. Now it's February, almost 4 months, and it does not look so great when I look at closer shot. But the roots are growing, guys. It's really amazing. So there were 4 stems in this flower vase and I thought, okay, when I started some roots coming in, I actually took 2 out of this and I transplanted it into this pot. As I'm just experimenting or just learning through what was just naturally happening, so I wanted to try both. Okay, will I be able to keep this plant until the spring weather comes in, to give a chance for both options. So I thought, okay, instead of keeping all the 4 stems in the flower vase, I actually transplanted 2 stems that actually started these roots into a pot, and I just kept on changing the water once in a while and keeping this flower vase as is. And guys, this started producing flowers. I couldn't really, I don't know whether it's whatever I'm doing is right or something I'm changing this plant's behavior, but the plant is producing flowers like hibiscus flowers inside the home, but don't expect too much. So the flower size is like maybe 1/4 inch, but it is really interesting to watch and it's interesting to know how the nature, how these plants thrive in whatever the challenge they go through in terms of their growing condition, growing medium and growing temperature, right? This is awesome. It's really what excited me to share this video with you guys. If you feel inspired by watching this video, please try it out and share your experience as well. I think I got 4 plants which I will be using for my next season. As they have been inside the house, of course I need to harden them off before I take it to the garden in the ground. So I'll be taking a couple of hours on a daily basis and slowly increasing the number of hours they stay outside, and then I'll be actually planting them in the ground. So I think I got some nice, maybe 1 foot tall Mahogany Splendid Hibiscus which I could overwinter from my last season to this season. But I feel so excited and that I feel something I'm very happy about it. Let me show you guys the closer look, how they look in the pot and how they look in the flower vase. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video and it is something you want to try. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for supporting my channel.